Hey everyone! Did you know that a whopping 30% of gardening tools are underutilized? That's right. Let's dive into some gardening hacks that will make sure you're getting the most out of your tools. Sparkles, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about gardening hacks that can totally transform your gardening experience. By using your tools efficiently, you can save time, effort, and maybe even some frustration. So, grab your spades and trowels because we're about to dig into some clever tips. Now, let's talk about the problems we all face as gardeners. First off, don't you just hate it when your tools are all over the place? You can spend half your time just looking for that one little hand rake or pair of gloves. And then there's the inefficiency that comes with not knowing how to use your tools to their full potential. It can be super frustrating, right? Sometimes, you might even buy a tool thinking it'll make life easier, only to find it just collects dust in the shed. We've all been there. But fear not. I've got some innovative hacks that will help you make the most of your gardening tools. First off, let's talk organization. Try using a pegboard to hang your tools. This not only keeps everything in one spot but also makes it easy to see what you have at a glance. Next, for those pesky garden hoses, consider using a hose reel. And here's a cool one: if you have an old kitchen colander lying around, use it to rinse your veggies after harvest. It's a perfect fit. And don't forget about maintenance. Regularly cleaning your tools with a mixture of vinegar and baking soda can keep them in tip-top shape for years to come. Now, let's get to the good stuff, the most impactful hack. Have you ever thought about repurposing an old ladder? Lean it against a wall and use it to store pots or even hang your tools. It's not only functional but also adds a rustic charm to your garden. This can significantly improve your productivity, making it easier to grab what you need without the hassle. Just imagine how much easier your gardening tasks will be when everything is organized and accessible. To wrap it all up, we've covered some fantastic hacks today. From organizing your tools with a pegboard to repurposing an old ladder, these tips can help you maximize your gardening tools and enhance your overall gardening experience. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how much more efficient your gardening can be. So, what about you? Do you have any gardening hacks that you swear by? Share them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out my next video on seasonal gardening tips. Let's keep growing together, seedling, sparkles.